This is Ellen McCauley. I want to thank Kathy over at table 9 because she told me to talk about papaya. If you were to ask me when was the last time I had papaya, I probably couldn't tell you. Maybe I've had it. I have no memory of it whatsoever. So she told me about this, and she gave me a link for this article. And 1 cup of papaya cut into small pieces has only 62 calories, and it's such a good anti-inflammatory. It contains fiber. You can eat it every day. It's okay to eat the seeds, but most people don't. Be careful you're not getting an unripe papaya. You just feel them and they're soft. And I like them. Some people like their things like room temperature. I like everything cold. I like everything cold. So, except if it's hot, then I like it really hot. If it's cold, I like it really cold. So after we eat tonight, we're having a salad with 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, and then we're going to have a cup of papaya. And it's really the best in the summer to early fall, but you can get it, and it's nice, especially at Wegmans. Wegmans fruit is so good. So I highly recommend you start thinking outside the box. People say, I just like sugar too much. Who doesn't? I just like pizza too much. Who doesn't? The thing is, those things make us chunkier. And if we're trying to lose weight, if we're trying to be healthy, I'm not saying never eat it, but monitor it. One of the things I included tonight is the Weight Watchers low-fat taco soup. I used to include it every session, then I got out of the habit. It is so good. Pay very close attention to the instructions. It is delicious. And one thing I didn't say about the Bible verse, I'm going to stop right there, Bobby, is